Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial: how to turn a portrait into a comic book style. Duplicate your photo layer and distort it. Apply filter, select filter gallery and select poster edges. Increase edge thickness and reduce detail slightly. Add half-tone patterns filter for comic textures. Change blend mode to multiply. Add solid colors background with bold tone. Use pen tool to create comic outline boxes. Type pure text with bubbles tone. Now add stroke to enhance edges and then paint small dot patterns on clothes. Apply color lookup. Select film stock for contrast. Slightly blur shadows for